guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome to P.S. by HannahMarie, a plain and simple place to talk all things clean beauty and lifestyle. Today I am going to be showing you just a little eye makeup look using some products that were sent to me by Joe Custom Cosmetics. She's getting ready to launch a few lip balms and eyeshadows, and it's coming up really soon, so I'm super excited for her. I've kind of fallen in love with her eyeshadows, especially because they're so pigmented and so like smooth and beautiful. So if you want to see how I got this eye makeup look, just keep watching. If you haven't already, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below so you'll never miss a video. Alright, let's get started. So first off, obviously, I probably look a little funny because I don't have any eye makeup on and my eyebrows are done and, you know, just looks a little funny without mascara and stuff. So, let's get started. I have 4 eyeshadow shades that Joe sent me, so I just need to decide kind of what kind of look I want to go for. So first, let me just kind of swatch the shades for you. They are super pretty. This one right here they're kind of in these little cases, so I have to be careful not to spill them, but this one is number 2. I guess I should have started with number 1, but that's okay. This one is kind of like a pinky peach nectarine tone with just a tiny bit of shimmer. So let me go back to number 1. This is kind of like a snow white color with some shimmer as well. I think all of them have, this one definitely has more sparkle. It kind of reminds me of Christmas. And I believe all of them do have a bit of shimmer. That one's pretty. I think this one, the kind of white colored one, it would be really pretty in the inner corners of your eye. Number 3, I don't think these have names yet. I don't know if they will or how she's selling them, but for right now they have numbers. Okay, so this one's kind of like it's a brown tone. More of a lighter brown. It looks a bit darker in the actual container, but it's just kind of like a nice light saddle brown. I feel like right now these remind me of ice cream. What is it called? Is it Neapolitan, where it's like strawberry, vanilla, and chocolate? That's what that reminds me of. Right, next is number 4. Just a really nice kind of dark chocolate color. So it's very pigmented, all of them are, and they're so smooth too. They just apply really nicely, and the colors are really pretty. The only one that does definitely have a lot more sparkle shimmer is the white color, but other than that, the other ones, it's very subtle shimmer. It's not like flakes or chunks of shimmer. Okay, so let's get started with the eye makeup look. So I think I'm going to start off with number 3, which is kind of the saddle brown tone, and I'm going to just kind of put that in the crease. A little above my crease because I do have hooded eyes. And just kind of lightly do windshield wiper motions. How it just adds a little bit more definition and depth into my eye, whereas if I had it like directly in my crease, you probably wouldn't see the color at all, so it just kind of opens my eyes a bit more. I'm going to take the darkest chocolate brown color, and I'm going to use my MOTD eye-catching crease brush, and I'm going to take that kind of in the outer V and maybe up the crease just a little bit. So I'm just going to kind of tap it because these are pretty pigmented. So I'm just blending a little bit blending it out a little bit very close to my lash line, so it just gives a little bit of that definition. Because I don't have a matte shade here, I'm going to my Beauty Counter palette and use the shade Eggshell and just kind of blend everything out a little better. Shade number 1, I'm going to put that just a tiny bit in the inner corner of my eye to just make it pop a little bit more. Just so I can use all the shades, I'm going to just take a tiny bit of this pink shade and just pop it into the center of my lid. So I just finished kind of blending everything out, and I think they look really pretty. I'm going to curl my lashes and add some mascara, and then we'll be right back. Okay, so she also sent me 2 of the lip balms, and I'm trying to decide which color would probably look best with my outfit. One is this pink tone. I'll swatch them. So there's this really pretty pink tone, and it feels like just like a really nice balm, like a tinted balm, but a bit more pigmented. And then lip balm number 2 would be really pretty for fall. It does have just a tiny bit of like this iridescent shimmer. It's super more pretty. Of like a burnt red, like a darker warm tone. So I think I'm gonna do that. So it does slide a bit, so it's better to probably apply very, very thin layer, and then just have it be more of like a tint instead of really building it up. But it feels really comfortable on the lips, and the color is super pretty. So yeah, it feels really nice on the lips, super comfortable, lightweight feeling, glides on, but it does like slip around a little bit, so kind of get that line. So it's just better to probably put a very thin layer on and then just kind of use your finger to rub it in. But overall, it gives a really nice color, very pigmented products as well, and they feel really nice on my eyes and my lips. So I will leave links to all the products and Joe's shop below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe below. I'll see you next time. Bye!